Today I'm going to share some um, knowledge about developing UI-side applications. Yeah. First, this is my template. You can use it to uh, for a better experience when developing your UI-side application. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, when you clone the template, it will be like this. The info point is this, and I've already included a simple file, simple UI file. Okay, and don't forget to read the readme file and run uv-c to install the package. Okay, if you have installed the package, then we can use the PySide designer to load the file. Let's try it. Design forms. Yeah, and this is a demo form. We can try to change it. Yeah, and save it. Then we can run the debug configuration. Okay, we can see that the content was properly reflected. Okay, and here next I want to share some of my experience when developing a large duty UI-side application. First, we want if we are developing application, we would like the automatic reload in the application when we edit the UI files. Um, Wait a minute, I see what this application is like. Okay, let's use English translation. Okay, you can see as it's a simple game. So if we click this help, and we will see this help window, and this will be the UI file. Let's open it, and this is it. So the next step, we want to change this window without close the application. How do we do it? Yeah. Currently, I can see that if we edit this cell, save the UI, also we run the compare. Okay, and let's reload it. Yeah, we can see that the changes is reflected. How did we achieve that? The key trick is that we use this. You can see that this is the, the related widget. The UI file is loaded in this. Let's check the name. Here is about game. Yeah. So we use the importlib.reload to reload the UI file. So if we let's rebuild it, and this will automatically reload the build UI file. Also, let's see how we call it in the main widget. Here, it's also using the reload. So if we click the menu button, it will be every time it will reload this widget, so the changes will be automatic reflected. So this is trick one. If we enable the automatic reload, it will ease our uh, design cycle and accelerate the project. The second one I want to share is that I forgot to mention one thing that in my tools we can also use the uh, in the compare out we can also use the watch option. It will detect the changed file. Yeah. So if we change the file now, okay, and save it, you can see that the change is detected, and it will automatically compare it. How do we know that? We click about again, and we can see the change is reflected. Okay, this is also present in my demo repository. It's this repository. Yeah. This compare file will also include the watch option. You can see it here. Yeah. Okay. So the next one is that during the uh, application develop cycle, because this is a pure equity application, we cannot. It's not easy for us to trigger a debug command into it, because in the run it is not using console, so we cannot using console command to trigger debug. So to trigger a debug in the Visual Studio Code, we can use the normal step is to use this. First, we place a breakpoint. Yeah, let's see, it's the hospital. This file. Then we invoke related procedure. Okay, sorry, it cannot be revoked. Let's try the back. It lists a breakpoint, and we invoke the procedure, so we can see that it is invoked. But also, there may be cases that in some cases, some procedure is hard to invoke, such as in this case, we can see uh, okay, there are some methods that are hard to invoke. Let's see. Wait a minute. Let's see, is this scheme on new game or on X? Yeah. This method will only be called if the game is played on the specific time. So only if we play the game for some specific time, it will trigger this event. So let's see if we play the game is 40 days, so it will only trigger X game. So how do we trigger that? Uh, if we want a faster trigger, we can use a debug window. Let's see now. Let's see how is the debug window in action. Let's see if we want to pause the end game. Yeah, we can see that it has automatic completion. Yeah, I forgot to add a breakpoint. So in this dev debugger, if we call this method, we can automatically trigger it. How do we implement this debugger? Let's see. Uh, implementation is like this. We have a complete widget and some input. This is for recording input. Implementation detail, we can check it later. I will provide the file in the GitHub later. So do we call this? Because let's see how do we add this to to our application. First, we can place this file in our project. Then we call this and this is the main widget. We call this in our main window. There are some checks. These are checks. We can ignore this. Yeah, we import this widget and we pass main application widget as a parameter and we show the debug window. So it will help us during the debug cycle. We can, let's see, there are other features I want to show you. Yeah, it has expression, evaluation, and man history. Let's see, if we press escape on this, we can check the previous commands. Also, we can assign iteration weight. In this case, you can see hash is 2000. This is reflected on this 2000. And change it to 5000. Yeah, I don't forgot to refresh display. This is the command to refresh it on the UI. Yeah, and see that it's successfully changed it. Okay. So this is a debugger. I think it helps us to troubleshoot our application. Okay, let's see. Okay, so these are the two sessions I want to give when you're developing large applications. As you have some uh, sessions and um, since you are welcome to leave a comment, let me know. Okay, see you next time.